It's like I was working with the apprentices on trying to get them to get this, for example, and some stuff, and we were working on simple exercise, joining. Say joining. Now joining is a principle that you can do and experience. Now, every one of them understood intellectually what I wanted them to do, right? Join their movement. Say, join their movement, move them in a direction, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So, and I would talk about it, and they all tried to do it, but they couldn't do it. See? And they realized that the intellect wasn't enough. That's why I chose something physical. Thing. And the intellect wasn't enough. So it's like they're working on joining, and they realize they have to change their perspective. One, they have to start actually experiencing the opponent, the partner, rather than themselves and their mind. Thing, which is very hard for people. We're always thing. And then they have to get into them and join them. And there has to be an experience there. And see, so we start to move in that direction, you see? And they realize the hurdles, just like, oh, I see. Boom, I have to move into an experience of joining, not the thought of joining or the understanding about joining. You follow? See, and those are different. I mean, they really are. Like you can intellectually know how to ride a bike, but you can't ride a bike intellectually. See? And you can know nothing intellectually about riding a bike, but you can ride a bike because you can get on it and you ride it. So it's different. Or like I say about that, somewhere, I think in a book, you can describe and explain stuff like that, how cold the pool is. But then when you jump in, this is different, isn't it? Like you go, woo-ha! Oh, it's cold! Yeah, I said that. Oh, but I didn't know it was really cold. Like, yeah. You follow a little? I'm just using kind of grounded, simplistic examples to try to make a point there.